You guys must be watching this video because you watched this video where I reset the MacBook's password. Shoot, I forgot my Mac's password. Now, for some reason, it didn't work for you. So I brought you to this video to figure out how to fix your MacBook. Well, sometimes what happens when you boot up and try to do the reset password, it'll get stuck on a screen that says something like this. Boot into recovery mode. It is showing this recovery key, and you can see it right here. You would have this thing turned on that's called FileVault. If you have FileVault turned on, you checked off the list when you were setting up your Mac. To fix your Mac and be able to use it, you'll have to erase your Mac, and you'll lose all the data that's on here. You may have a recovery key laying around written down somewhere, but most people probably don't have it written down unless they know what they're doing when they're checking all the boxes before setting up their Mac. It's something that you probably turned on when you first set up your MacBook and didn't realize that it was going to lock you out of all your data and all that if you forgot your password. But also, it's easy to get into your data. So, I would recommend having it on and have your information backed up if you need to. Next, we'll turn on the Mac back into recovery mode without the encryption key locking the computer. So this is what you would do if it didn't have the recovery key. So we'll turn it on, get it to startup options, and then click recovery mode. And if this part doesn't work for you, then you might not have a MacBook M1 and above, so you'll have to hold down Command and R for it to work while you turn it on. Then you'll click on the Forgot Password option, and it'll bring you to macOS Recovery. You'll have to connect to your Wi-Fi network, and once you connect to your Wi-Fi, it'll ask you to sign into your Apple ID. And if you're having issues there, you might just have to click and erase your Mac. Once you signed into your Wi-Fi, then you'll want to sign into your Apple ID. If you don't have your Apple ID set up, you should just be on this screen. And if you have your Apple ID set up, you'll have to sign into the Apple ID. To get to this menu, it's type in reset password. And then another menu will pop up and you'll be able to reset your password. I hope this video is helpful. Please subscribe and like if it was helpful, because if you didn't have any help, just comment below and maybe we can help you figure out why it's not working. If it's not working, one reason would be it's not your Mac and you stole it, so give it back. Roll it.
It's your